everybody, we got our Volara cube yesterday in the mail. This is a great air freshener, well, air purifier is a better word for it. It came yesterday in the mail. It could not have come at a better time because Jeff decided that he was going to fry some fish, and we plugged this puppy in when he was frying the fish, and it took the fish smell away in probably less than an hour. We were pretty thrilled about that. This is the same air purifying cube that managed to help our son-in-law Brandon in our home with our cat. He has severe cat allergies, and for the first time visiting, he did not have to take antihistamine or even an inhaler to be able to breathe. So I'd say that's pretty good. Anyway, that's what interested us in this cube, and so we're thrilled to try it. If anyone's interested in this cube, you can ask me and I can give you some more information about it, or you can just come to my house and smell the pure, fresh air. Talk to you later. Bye.